Empanadas, empanadas. Chimichurri, chimichurri. Ooh, ooh, ooh. My God. I bet you're jealous. Hey guys, welcome back to Belky's Twist. Today I am making beef empanadas. And what makes these empanadas really special is the fact that I am using Casa M Spice company spices. Now I know I am a brand ambassador. You're gonna think that I'm saying it because of that, but no, I am actually not being paid to make this video. This is not an ad, basically is what I'm saying. I actually asked Dr. Mike and Manny Hernandez, who are the owners of the company, if they would be okay with me sharing this recipe for the beef empanadas and the chimichurri sauce with you guys today. We actually hung out the 4th of July at their home in Tucson. They were so gracious and welcoming to our family. I'm very thankful. And not only were they very welcoming and gracious, but they were also very generous in giving us a 50% promo code, Belky's Twist. You can get all their new gift sets, and that includes mini ranch packs. 50% off. That is an amazing deal. So all you have to do is go into the description right below this video, and there's going to be a link, and the link is going to take you to the gift sets page. Now there you're going to pick whatever you want. Beautiful gift sets like this. Look how beautiful this is. This is the uncontrolled gift set. It's wonderful. That means it's a little spicier than the typical Casa M Spice company spices. So you're going to go ahead, put whatever you want into the cart, make sure you enter the promo code Belky's Twist, all one word, and then check out. The 50% off discount will reflect itself once you check out, and then that's it. You just pay and you go and you wait for your beautiful spices, and trust me, you are going to love these. I would never recommend something that you're not going to love. This make a great addition to any pantry, and I'm telling you, this will be in your pantry forever. You're gonna continue to reorder because they're that good. I use it on everything. So now I'm going to show you how to make the beef empanadas and the chimichurri sauce, and I'm telling you, you're gonna let me know in the comments how much you love it. So go ahead, let's do it. Oh my God, it's so good. Oh my God. Mm.